Hi, this is Gaurav. Now I'm going to show you our new news app. Here it is, mynews.apk. Let's install it. Now you can see here it has been installed. So let's open it. Now it is taking time to load for a little while because from an API it is taking time to fetch the data. These are some newses. As we have used a free or non-paid API to build this Android app for development purpose, all the time, all these news you are watching will be available. So it will not be updated. I mean the news will not be updated due to that reason. Now for another functionality, you can see here we can change the theme using this floating button, and here it is the light theme, and here dark theme again, and here is the reaction button where we can add favorite, but we have to work many things over all this. So that's for all for today. Thank you.